me. What's up? What the f you want to do? Get a car there. Go.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Fuck! Oh! I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm good.
You okay?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
I will have fresh steak. I use salt, pepper, and a dash of pepper spray. I will have red butter. I do not churn it. I just stare at the cow and the butter comes out straight away. If I smack the cow around a little bit, I will have a milkshake. I will serve the freshest and best burrito. And remember, my burritos are made with real toast. I'm sitting out. Today's movie is Mission Impossible. This is the Ant Mission Impossible. He doesn't have a substance. I'm a woman. All of my stuff.
Oh.
I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple. I'm serious. I would only use a stunt double for a crime scene. Because the last time I cried on screen, 10,000 pregnancies were reported. Because the last time I cried on screen, 10,000 pregnancies were reported.
Stupid ass. That's him. That's him. That's him. That ain't me. He stopped in front of me. What's wrong with you? That's him. He stopped in front of me. That he didn't want to go nowhere. He slid in front of me. That's him. No, I'm not gonna sit at no red light. Fuck that.
It's like oh my gosh. Damn, they just hit each other. Oh shit.
I don't know, I think Sherry's a little stressed. What was that?
Someone had a bunch of tires fall off their car and hit mine.
Oh.
Riding the f*** out of your ass. Negative on the sticks. Good sticks, southbound from 95th, right tires. Starting to deflate here. I'm gonna try to get in front, slow down. Box again. 209, we're in Illinois. I'm gonna box him in again up here. I'm in front of him. Let's see if we can get it, guys. Contact. 209 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this. Two-9 stopped here.
This is the Police. All occupants of the Honda Civic, you are under arrest.